Scatter diagram and run charts. This is the last topic of the 7 tools of quality control. Scatter diagram, a graph in which the values of two variables are plotted along two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. The pattern of the resulting points revealing any correlation present. That means if the points are grouped at some level, then it is called grouped charts. For example, if the scattered values are spread throughout the x axis, then it can be said that it is well spread, or it can be said like it is well spread over the x axis, and similarly with the y axis. A scatter plot is a type of plot or mathematical diagram using Cartesian coordinates to display values for typically two variables for a set of data. If the points are coded, one additional variable can be displayed. A scatter XY plot has points that show the relationship between two sets of data. In this example, each dot shows one person's weight versus their height. The data is plotted on the graph as Cartesian XY coordinates. So you can draw these charts in your classroom with the height and weight, and with that 30 people, 30 friends will draw the heights and weights, and then you can see the scatter plot of your own. The scatter diagram graphs pairs of numerical data with one variable on each axis to look for a relationship between them. If the variables are correlated, the points will fall along a line or curve. The better the correlation, the tighter the points will hug the line. That's what I said. It is well spread over the x-axis, or it will spread over the y-axis, or it can be said like it is spread over the diagonally between the two axes, or at a height of 10 meters, or at a height of 10 meters on x-axis, 10 meters on y-axis, like that. A run chart, also known as a run sequence plot, is a graph that displays observed data in a time sequence. Often, the data displayed represents some aspect of the output or performance of a manufacturing or other business process. It is therefore a form of line chart. A run chart is a basic graph that displays data values in a time sequence, the order in which the data were generated. A run chart can be useful for identifying shifts and trends. A supervisor of a customer service center collects data on the number of complaints that are filed each month. A run chart is the simplest of charts. A run chart can help you spot upward and downward trends, and it can show you a general picture of a process. A control chart also plots a single line of data over time. However, control charts include upper and lower control limit lines with a center line. Trend: 5 or more consecutive increasing or decreasing points. A basic rule of thumb is when a run chart exhibits 7 or 8 points successively up or down, then a trend is clearly present in the data. For example, if end breaks of ring frame 1, there are 20 ring frames suppose, and if there is a ring frame 1 has end breaks of 30 end breaks per 1 hour, consecutively 30 end breaks per 8 hours, then it shows the it shows the run chart, which shows that the machine is spoiled or defected or damaged. Therefore, in that case, the ring frame can be repaired. So, in that way, the if any run shot exhibits 7 or 8 points consecutively up or down, similarly in spinning frame, similarly in warp defects or weft defects in ring in weaving, similarly in textile testing. Suppose if maturity coefficient of cotton is 8, then if cotton is tested, if the bales of cotton before spinning are tested, and if the maturity coefficient of the cotton bale is below 8, if it is consecutively 8 if it is consecutively less than 8, then it can be treated as a defective one. Similarly, in textile testing, suppose if tensile strength is tested and if consecutive 7 or 8 up or down points will show the results that the tensile testing of the cotton fabric is wrong or the fabric produced is with defective one. In that way, the quality can be improved by stopping the damaged fabrics. Similarly, in the fabric structure and design also, for a jacquard machine, if there are mistakes in if there are any mistakes in design, then those mistakes can be plotted in a run chart, and then those things are can also be tested like that and can be proved wrong if the defects are more. What does it mean? Defects are more means if it is 7 to 8 points are consecutively up or down. In that way, we can show that the run charts are useful for the testing of the quality. So this is known as a trend: control charts and run chart. A run chart is the simplest of charts. A run chart can help you spot upward and downward trends, and it can show you a general picture of a process. A control chart also plots a single line of data over time. However, control charts include upper and lower control limit lines with a center line. So this is about scatter plot and run charts. Thank you. So this ends our process quality control in weaving 6th chapter and the syllabus of the PQCW 505 EB. Thank you.